Good morning, student. I welcome you to my grammar class. The topic is preposition. In my previous class, we have already discussed before you place preposition, time preposition, and other prepositions. Now, we shall discuss about verb followed by preposition, adjective followed by preposition, and also noun followed by preposition. Now, I shall discuss before you the verbs followed by definite prepositions. You have to know if the preposition is changed, the meaning of the sentence is also changed. So you see how different verbs take different definite prepositions. After that, inquire about, remind about, worry about. Next, inquire after behavior, protest against, warn against. Aim at, knock at, smile at. Next, admire for, blame for, lead for, provide for, search for, thank for. So, everybody, like that, die, differ, exempt, hear, made, prevent, recover, save. Verbs take preposition from with them. Next, believe, deal, interfere, invest, specialize, trust. These verbs take in preposition after them. Student, next the verbs accuse, approve, boast, complain, consist, cure, die, made, remind, rob, warn. Take off preposition with them, after them. Next the verbs agree, attend, congratulate, depend, insist, knock, leave, spend. Take on after them. Next, worry verb takes over after them. Next, agree, appeal, apologize, apply, attend, belong, compare, complain, invite, object, prefer. Take two preposition after them. Next, agree, charge, compare, correlate. Correlate means dhokka khaiba. Contrast, deal, differ, feel, interfere, provide, replace, share, sympathize, tremble. Take with preposition after them. Student, you see verb followed by definite prepositions. How the verbs are used with definite prepositions. First you see inquire about. He inquired about the advertisement in the newspaper. Next, inquire after. He called me aside to inquire after my daughter. ଏଠି inquire about କୌଣସି ବିଷୟରେ, inquire after କୌଣସି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ପାଇଁ. warn against, warn of. He warned me against swimming in the sea. सतर्क कर दूची विरुद्ध रे एगेंस्ट अर्थ विरुद्ध रे वार्न ऑफ ही वार्न मी ऑफ डेंजर कौन से विपद विषय रे सूचना दूची एठी ऑफ होबो एठी एगेंस्ट देन यू सी die from he died of cholera his illness old age hunger if the death is natural of is used as preposition die from he died from overeating wounds starvation if the death is unnatural from is used after died. Next you see complain of, complain to, complain about. He complained of a pain in his chest, toothache. He complained to himself. निजକୁ ନିଜେ से complain କରୁଛି ତାର chest pain in his chest and pain in his toothache. So complained himself of lagibo. He complained to the headmaster about lack of food, lack of good drinking water. Here one person complain one person to other person. So to is used after complaint. Complain about. He complained to the police about the theft in his house. Means complained about something. Complained about something. Ele about lagibo. Next you see agree to, agree with, agree on. They agree to my proposal. कौनसी विषय हेले to लागिबो. Agree with कौन सी पर्सन सहित एग्री हेले विथ लागिबो. हरि एग्रीड विथ मी ऑन दिस पॉइंट. एग्री ऑन दे ऑल एग्रीड ऑन द डेट ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन. एठी कौन सी विषय ऊपर फिक्स टाइम टेबल ऊपर एग्रीड ऑन कौन सी विषय. सो नाउ you see how different verbs are used with different prepositions and how the meaning is also different. Now you see the difference between remind about, remind of. He reminded me about the meeting of 6 o'clock. It is here. He reminded me. There are two persons. One remind others. One remind others. He reminded me about the meeting of 6 o'clock. So, where one reminded to others about is used. Next, remind of. The bicycle reminded him of his young days. He reminds himself. He reminded him of his young days. निजे निजे मन पकेगा. So remind about, remind of. Next you see made of and made from. The ring is made of gold. Here made of is used. If we break the ring, we get gold, and by the gold we make the ring. So we get gold from gold. So of is used. Made from, flour is made from wheat. If we get flour from the wheat, but we cannot get wheat from the flour. So आमे पुनर्बार सही जिनिस पाइबानी. So here from is used. Flour is made from wheat. compare to. He compared Shakespeare with Kalidas. Kalidas is a poet, Shakespeare is a poet. There is a comparison between similar things. So compared with is used. Now you see, poet compared her face to the moon. Face of a with woman. The poet compared the face of a daughter or face of a woman to the moon. Moon is other things, moon is a things, and face is other things. So they are dissimilar, not similar. Face is not similar with the moon. If we compare two dissimilar things, so two is used. So similar things with dissimilar things, two is used. Dear student, now you see how some adjectives are followed by definite prepositions. Adjective with prepositions, definite prepositions. First you see anxious, careful, careless, excited, sorry, worried. These adjectives are followed by preposition about. Next, angry, delighted, good, bad, quick, shocked, surprised. These adjectives are followed by preposition at. Next, shocked, surprised, followed by also by. Next, the adjectives eligible, fit, responsible, sorry, useful are followed by preposition for. Next, absent, different adjectives followed by from. Next, blind, interested adjectives followed by preposition in. Afraid, shame, aware, capable, careful, certain, confident, tired, conscious, envious, fond, full, hopeful, innocent, jealous, proud, sure, worthy. These adjectives are followed by preposition of. Next you see keen, followed on. Next you see applicable, blind, familiar, faithful, grateful, harmful. Indifferent, kind, known, identical, loyal, useful. Followed by preposition to. Next you will see angry, careful, delighted, disappointed, disgusted, familiar, ill, pleased, satisfied. Adjectives are followed by preposition with. Dear students, you see how the adjectives are also followed by definite prepositions. You should remember it and mind it. Students, now you see how some nouns are followed by definite prepositions. You see opinion, view, followed by about. Resemblance followed by between. Admiration, attraction, appetite, cause, cure, demand, dislike, love, pity, a reason, remedy, a room, sympathy, for. They are followed by for. All these nouns are followed by for. Belief, difficulty, success, followed by in. Advantage, cause, knowledge, proof, followed by of. Effect, influence, opinion, view, followed by on. Access, alternative, consent, resemblance, solution, followed by to. Attitude, duty, followed by two words, difficulty followed by with. So now you see how some nouns are followed by some definite prepositions. Next, we shall do some exercises. Friends, now you open your book, page number 55, and see the activity 5. First, let us invite them all. Yes, dinner, to dinner. I hastened to assure him dash my support, of my support. He borrowed a pen, dash me from me. His failure has completely discouraged him from trying again. I like to indulge in a hot bath. We congratulate you on becoming a father. The students should concentrate on studies. Everybody has been warned of against about the danger. They reminded me about the meeting. In this exercise, we see how some verbs are followed by definite prepositions. Students, now you see some adjectives, how they are followed by definite prepositions. Don't be impolite, dash your elders, to your elders. You should not be rude, dash them, to them. Some people are cruel, dash animals, to animals, towards animals. Are you angry? Dash what happened, at what happened. The old man is very furious, dash with me, at with me, at with me. I am contented, dash what I am, with what I am. I am tired, dash arguing with you, tired of arguing with you. The diet here is deficient, dash vitamins, in vitamins. I am very glad, dash seeing you, of see you. You must be conscious, dash your speech and action, of your conscious of. I am now short, dash funds, short of funds. His income is sufficient, dash his needs, to his needs, for his needs. Dear students, now you see the activity number 7. I have a good relationship, dash my neighbors, with my neighbors. There is a sharp fall, dash demand for gold, fall in demand for gold. There is no difference, dash steam engine and oil engine, between steam engine and oil engine. What is your relation, dash the news, to the news. His progress, dash studies, is very satisfactory. His progress in studies, They had a discussion, dash the topic. Discussion, dash the topic. On the topic. His family, dash the place, saved him from a lot of troubles. His family with the place or to the place saved him from a lot of troubles. He has a great admiration, just my talents, for my talents. He is in agreement, just my views on the subject, with my views on the subject. His performance made an impression, dash me, on me. So, Dear students, you have already seen the exercises what I do in the about this topic. So you should wait for the next class. Now the classes on preposition is already finished, and next class we read about the topic noun clause. Thank you all for watching my grammar class.